Good morning, children. Back to the class. So, dear children, yesterday we were started to discuss the new topic that was about the articles. So, there are how many types of articles we have in English grammar? There are three. What are they? A, and, the. So, dear children, this is the one. I hope you have understood the lesson and you are following. I feel if you follow only, you can learn something and you can know what is articles, how we are using, which time we are using which type of articles. So yesterday we have discussed about the indefinite articles, that is of a and and this is depends on what it depends on. And depends on vowel sounds and a depends on consonant sounds. And other important thing also we have learned here, that is this both are we use only when the singular and countable nouns only. When if it is a singular noun, otherwise it is a countable noun, then only we will use a and an. This is the mainly we have discussed and we have seen the exercises. Today we are going to discuss exercise number 4 also. Once you see exercise number 4, just I will tell, then we will go for the new topic. Exercise number 4, what they are telling? Put a or an, put a or an in the fill in the blanks below. You have to use a or an. Keep in mind the sound of the alphabet according to the sound of the alphabet. What next? Before the we are writing a or an. So a or an, we have to see the sound of the alphabet, how the alphabets are sounding. According to that only we have to write. I saw dash elephant. Elephant. Which sound is come? A. Elephant. E sound. So when the elephant E sound is coming, and what is this? E is a vowel. And what before the vowel sound, what we will write? An. So you can write there an elephant crossing path street on dash holidays. Holidays. So H on holidays. So you can use there a sound. A consonant sound. So you can use there a. The second one is dash European. Dash European. E. European. So sound is what? E. So E sound means what we will be using there again? Second one and. Lecture at dash university. University. And here you have to remember. So university. Actually U is what? Vowel. So vowel. But what is the sound of the alphabet? University. Umbrella. A sound. So there we are using an. University. So here's the sound university. So the sound of university we cannot use the alphabet. What before the university we have to use only the a. Why? Because the sound is different. So a university you cannot use before the universities because it sounds like a consonant. The consonant sound is coming. Because of that consonant sounds before the university we have to use a. The next one you see. I have ordered for uniform. Here also same. University uniform. The sound is what? It is not sound like a vowel. So because it sounds exactly like a consonant. So we will be using the here also a uniform. The next. The Guptas always give me dash useful. Here also same thing. Useful. So use of again. What you have to use? A. The next you see. I have ordered for dash. I have ordered for dash omelette. O sound. So omelette. So and with cheese and mushroom. So O. So fifth one and. Like this only how we use. Other ones also they have. Please see the so we can hear the sound of he sound only we can hear. So because of that we will be using there and. Sixth one is and seventh one you see dash and dash uncle of mine live in America. So you have to write the word also there. An auntie and an auntie and auntie. So awesome. So you can use an auntie and an uncle. Awesome. Again here uncle, umbrella, uncle. So did you hear? So the according to the sound of the alphabet. That's why they have given the bracket. Sound of the alphabet. According to the sound of the alphabet, we have to change this. Next, if you come, a dash im. So e is sound again. And a dash eagle. E sound again. An eagle. Leave on dash banyan tree. So a banyan tree. So this is about the we have seen indefinite articles, that is a and an. Today we are in this next one is a definite article. Definite. So definite article. So definite article. About the definite article when it will come, this is only the one article that is a the. So about the we are seeing, and here the is used to, the is called that definite article because it is used when we refer a particular person with the name, with a particular name of the place when we take, name of the person when we take, name of the thing, particular thing we are calling. That time we will be used this definite article, the we will be used. So suppose they have given, this is the man who sells vegetables, means particularly version. This is the man who sells the vegetables. So particularly we are telling them about the one person. Next one, this is the boy who runs a toy shop. Means who is so many boys are there, but particularly we are picking up one boy's side and the other. This is the boy who ran out of the class. So this is the particular boy, means I know very well this is the boy. So we are confidently telling the, when we are confident about anything, exactly when we want to say, we will be using the definite article the. And they have given here again, this is the pen which I had brought yesterday. This is the dog which bet the stranger. And here everything you see, the boy means any boy. The boy means a particular boy, what I said. The girl, a particular girl. So the house, a particular, means so many houses are there. This is the house, yesterday I saw. This is the house, yesterday I have seen. This is the house, yesterday I have seen. Means so many houses are there, but particularly this is the house I have seen. So particularly we are speaking about anything. We use the when we speak a person, creatures or a thing which has been spoken of already, read and understand of the point. So means already वो हो चुका है, means what he has already spoken. वो पहले भी बात कर चुका है उसके बारे में, उसी के बारे में just now. Means the person already has spoken about that person, particularly we speak. Yes, I know this is the boy who has done yesterday the mistake. Means that is already he has done, already has did that work. So about that when we are recalling, then we say that what was spoken about that when we speak we use. I cannot find the pen I was writing with. Means I cannot find my means what already I was using. Long back onwards, yesterday, maybe day before yesterday, I am writing with that pen only. But when we want to write today, then that is the pen. That is the otherwise you will be writing cursive handwriting. With one pencil. Then no, not this pencil. That pencil or with what I am writing. Like that we can speak. So this is about. And other thing you see, we are not talking of any pen but the pen we were writing with. So other thing is, we met an artist. The artist was a MP Hussain. So about the artist means particular about one artist we are speaking. That time also we use the. And now uses of a and the. So how we can use? Just this one I think you can do exercise number 5. I found dash O. So what already you know the where to use the vowel, where to use the and, where to use the a, where to use the. So about the particular thing when we speak we use the. About a singular person or countable noun means singular noun is countable noun, we use a or an. And this a or an depends on a sounds. Or that may be vowel sounds, that may be consonant sounds. So here I found an owl with a dash silver, with a silver head. The dash means already about one we have spoken. About that again I am speaking. Also the owl could speak like us humans. So already first you spoke about the I found a owl. So I found an owl. So already you have told, and again you are repeating about that. Then we will be using the owl means the owl could speak like us humans. उसी के बारे में फिर से बात करें. That's why we use second time the. Particularly we are speaking about the one whom we spoke just before. I am looking for dash flower. I am looking for a flower. Singular it is, so we use it. A flower. The next one. Again when we speak about that particular, then we can use that the flower must be green. The flower must be in green color. I met dash a lady. I met a lady in the market. The lady looked like my mother. So you can speak. And after this the exercise number 5. The next one use article of the. So how we are using the, which are the places we use. Just I will explain so that you will be having one idea. Other exercise I will give you as a PDF, you can do. Before the name of river, seas, hills, mountains, etc. So before the rivers, when we speak river name, when we take we use the, and seas names when we take we use the, floods and mountains, whatever we use we take it. The next one is before of the holy books. Before of the holy books, the Bible, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita, the Ramayana. So like that, the will be used because particularly we are speaking about one particular book. So we will be using that. Before the holy books, we use the. The next one, before the names of the daily newspapers. Before the names of the Hindu. So we will be speaking the Times of India. Tribune. So whatever the books are there, whatever not books, whatever the newspapers, daily newspapers, before that also we will be using particularly the, because we are speaking out which newspaper it is. About the Hindu, the Sakshi, so the NTV. So means exactly, So different Hindu is there, Anjot is there, different types of newspapers. Here many newspapers you will have. Then we will be using the word. Before the superlative degrees of adjective, yes, before also, superlative degree before, the tallest boy in the class, he is the tallest boy in the class, he is the will be used there, tallest, before the adjective superlative, before that also we will be using the. The next one, before a common noun, which are names of unique things. Unique things means particularly the sun, the moon, the star. planet very unique. So that is a common. Sun, moon, this all are the common things. But we will be using the sky. So all this one, the earth, everything is a commonly we. That is a common to all. So before that unique things, we will be using the article the. The next one, before the names of some countries, not every country, before the names of some countries we will be using. Like the United Kingdom. So that is it, the United Kingdom is, so many will be there, they all together we call as the United Kingdom. Then Netherlands, the United States, the United Kingdom in a, so like this we will be using the for a some countries. And before an adjective, when the noun is understood as, means noun is understood, an adjective as the noun. The rich should help the poor. The rich should help the poor. Means the adjective is telling about the noun here. When before an adjective, when the noun is understood, when the noun is understood by the adjective, then we will be using the article of the. And they have next one you see. Before the plural proper nouns such as the names of the people. When we take the names of the people, the English are, so the Dutch are strong and hard. So the English are fearless. The French live in France. About the any particular people's name when we take, we will be using. The next one, before the names of the public buildings and institutions. So about the institutions, the St. Joseph School. Yes, St. Joseph School here, the St. Joseph. The institution or any institution names when we take the university's name, the University of London. The like that we will be using the British whatever we use. My uncle teaches at the University of London. So like this, when we take universities names, when we take any particular institutions names, then we will be using the article. When a singular common noun is used in a indicate of whole class, the dog is faithful. So that is all the class. Means now you see the dog. Means about all the dogs we are speaking just how the dog is faithful animal. The horse is the useful animal. Like this means about the horses, but particularly we are taking and we are saying means commonly we use singular, a common noun used to indicate the whole class. Means one singular we are taking, but it will be indicated to everything. Like the situations we will be using the article the. So now you see exercise number 6. If you do, you will be understanding. Iron is dash useful metal. Iron is means about the iron, one metal we are speaking, but that will be belongs to all the iron. So we will be using the. Next one. You are late by dash hour. So hour, O sound is coming. Hour. So H is silent here. So that's why we will add hour. Agra is dash historical place. About the one place, but we are speaking what it is. So about the I told you about some places names, some things name. So Agra is the historical place. Agra is the historical place. The will is. Did you put away dash new toy carefully? Did you put away the new toy? So away means the new toy what you are taking. The we can use. Particularly about one toy we are speaking. Like this only you can do all the exercise in exercise number 6. The next one you see instead articles a and or the wherever necessary. So wherever they have given simple sentence, but before that wherever it is necessary we have to use the articles. Any article what you feel is correct. Help dad, help poor and needy. So before the poor what we can write? of flowers. I like rose, the king of flowers. The king of. So like this you can use the poem, the king. Just like this you can use all that one. Anyhow, dear children, I will be giving you as a video all the exercises. You also try whatever I have told you, how much you have understood. You can try and see. If any mistake again, you can erase it and write it with your this one. And exercise number 8 they have given that you have to read the story, and wherever necessary is there, articles, use of articles, you have to use that. So dear children, I hope you have understood this. What are the articles, how to use, when to use the different indefinite articles a and and definite articles, article, the, about that, and the, where and which are the places we have, everything I have explained. I hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you.